Hello, today's topic? At the swimming pool.
Hi. How are you today?
Great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Have you been to the swimming pool?
Yes, I love swimming. Do you swim too?
I'm learning. What's your favorite stroke?
I like the breaststroke. It's relaxing.
Nice. I find the freestyle challenging.
It gets easier with practice. Do you go often?
Twice a week. How about you?
I go once a week. Do you use the diving board?
Not really. I'm not a fan of heights.
Fair enough. I enjoy the water slides.
Oh, those are fun. I tried them once.
Did you like it? It can be scary.
First, but it was thrilling afterward.
That's great. Do you bring friends along?
Sometimes. It's more fun with company.
Agreed. Plus, it's a good workout.
Absolutely. Swimming is great exercise.
And it's refreshing on hot days, right?
Definitely. It's a perfect summer activity.
True. Well, enjoy your next swim.
You too. Let's catch up at the pool sometime.
Vocabulary.
Swim. Learn. Stroke. Favorite. Breaststroke. Relaxing. Freestyle. Practice. Often. Weak. Diving. Bored. Enjoy. Water. Slide. Fun. Tried. Thrilling. Friend. Workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.